Welcome and thank you for joining us for this training on how to access and navigate the various web resources within the Bureau of Coverage and Reimbursement Policy, also known as BCRP. This training will cover how a provider can find information on the Medicaid website regarding rates for nursing homes, case mix reports, quality improvement incentive or QII programs, the non-state government-owned upper payment limit or NSGO UPL program, the transfer of Medicaid certified beds, moratorium exceptions, facility cost profile or FCP forms and instructions, fair rental value or FRV forms and instructions, and where to find the rule and state plan governing reimbursement. Additional videos are available to provide trainings specifically on QII applications. All resources can be found by navigating to the Medicaid website at medicaid.utah.gov. Arrow over healthcare providers and a list will be provided with multiple options. Click on the link titled Coverage and Reimbursement. Then Coverage and Reimbursement Policy Resources. And finally, Long-Term Care Resources. This will take you to the main page for BCRP, which contains all the resources for long-term care providers. We will start by clicking on the Rates link. Current rates, historical rates, and add-on rate historical information can be found on this page. Preview rates are loaded to the site approximately 30 days before the new quarter. Next, you can find information about the MDS Case Mix Report by clicking on the MDS Case Mix Preview Report link. This page provides general information about the value of the Case Mix Preview Report, when to request the report, instructions on how to request and destroy a Case Mix Report, as well as the form required to request the report. The Case Mix Preview Request Form tab takes you to a simple Google Forms document which can be completed in just a few minutes. The next link provides information about the QII programs, including an introduction letter explaining the program. All applications required for reimbursement for QII 1, 2, and 3 can also be found on this page. The QII2 section contains a downloadable spreadsheet which must be used to explain multiple purchases. In addition, all QII2 program applications may be easily downloaded under this section. The QII3 program section contains the QII3 form and an example of the choice requirement. The next link will take you to the page providing information about the non-state government-owned upper payment limit or NSGO UPL program. This page contains resources regarding the UPL program, including the rules governing the program, the forms required to participate in the UPL program, and a sheet demonstrating the cost profile expenditure baseline averages. All NSGO UPL providers are also required to complete a quality improvement program. Details regarding this quality improvement program are found by clicking that link. A form documenting how each provider completed the quality improvement program is required annually, and another training video provides details on how to complete that form. The swing bed rates link provides current and historical rates for swing bed facilities. Unlike standard nursing homes, swing bed rates are calculated for the entire calendar year. The next link leads to the page providing details regarding how to transfer Medicaid certified beds from one entity to another. This link includes the statutes and rules regarding a transfer. Transfer forms are required to be completed by both an entity transferring Medicaid certified beds and the entity receiving Medicaid certified beds. Those forms are both found on this page. If an entity desires to add a new Medicaid certified program or beds to an existing program, an exception to the moratorium must be approved. The Moratorium Exception Request Application tab navigates to the downloadable application, which is required by rule to be completed and submitted as part of the process to obtain approval for an exception. The last link under Nursing Facilities provides additional resources related to nursing facility reimbursement. The RUG weights, FRV calculation, and sample calculator links each provide downloadable spreadsheets with details for how the department uses those items to calculate rates. This page also contains links to Rule R414-504 and Utah State Plan Attachment 4.19-D, which govern nursing facility payments. By clicking the FCP and FRV Forms link, a page with downloadable instructions on how to complete the forms and the forms themselves will appear. Always ensure you complete the forms using the current form, as changes may be made periodically. Finally, the Bed Assessment Rates link provides current and historical state fiscal year bed assessment rates for nursing, swing bed, and ICFID facilities. For additional information regarding any rate or case mix policy addressed by BCRP, please visit the website located on your screen, email the reimbursement team at nf_rates@utah.gov, or call the main BCRP line. Thank you.